Hi there, and welcome to A&P with Dr. O. We are now ready to talk about smooth muscle tissue. Remember, there are three different types of muscle tissue: skeletal muscle tissue, cardiac muscle tissue, and smooth muscle tissue. Smooth muscle tissue gets its name because it's going to lack the structures that we saw in skeletal and cardiac muscle that gave those tissues what we call a banded appearance. What caused those bands in the other two muscle types? You got it, striations. Well, smooth muscle tissue gets its name because this tissue is going to lack striations. As we can see, as we're looking at this muscle tissue, the cells are very long and slender and smooth. There are no lines running through this tissue like we saw in our previous muscle types. That's a key indicator that we are looking at smooth muscle tissue. Again, that lack of striations. There's also only one nucleus per cell. That's another way that we can identify this from skeletal muscle, for example, because we know that skeletal muscle is striated and it's also multinucleate. Smooth muscle lacks striations and each cell has a single nucleus. We can see many cells on this slide. Therefore, we can see lots of nuclei, the nuclei of each of those cells. I'll circle a few here as well to the one, as well as the one I pointed out earlier. But that just gives us an idea of looking for, again, the nucleus, and then that allows us to find where our cells are going to be located. Again, if it lacks striations and we only have one nucleus per cell, if it has that smooth appearance like we see here, then that's our smooth muscle tissue.